Discover the secrets to cultivating abundant yields of cilantro or coriander right in your own home. We will show you a unique hack or trick for growing and harvesting enormous cilantro at home. Let's conduct an experiment using cilantro seeds. We start with our hypothesis. Split cilantro seeds germinate faster and healthier than whole or unsplit cilantro seeds. Let's start our experiment. Step 1. Take some good quality cilantro seeds, preferably a sealed packet from a grocery store. Step 2. Take 2 containers, and make sure you make drainage holes at the bottom of both these containers. We are using this yellow one to grow unsplit cilantro seeds, whereas in this green container, we will use it to plant split cilantro seeds, and finally show you the result of this experiment in the end. Please do not skip step 4 and step 5. They are very important. Step 3. The potting mix. Our potting mix for both these containers is identical and contains 60 to 70% coco peat and about 30 to 40% vermicompost. Step 4. Seed split method. Each cilantro seed is technically a fruit containing 2 seeds in it. As you can see, these are 2 halves, each having 1 seed, and each of them will grow into an independent plant. Let's first look into the conventional methods of splitting these seeds, better called as scarification of seeds. Most of you might have used this hard and heavy rollers to crush the seeds. Some even use footwear or shoes to crush them. This is not the ideal method to do this, because during this process of rolling or hitting, it can damage the seeds. So, the correct way to scarify these seeds is using the sandpaper method. Pour small quantity of seeds at a time on a sandpaper base, and take another smaller piece of sandpaper to scrub these seeds gently without exerting too much force. Gently scrape through and the job is done. Step 5. Now you can optionally soak these seeds in water for 1 to 2 hours for much faster germination. But this is optional. You can even plant the seeds directly without soaking. Step 6. We are sowing the seeds in both these containers on the same day. Make sure you evenly space the seeds and cover them with a thin layer of potting mix. Step 7. Now water these 2 containers thoroughly. Cilantro loves to grow in good moisture, and hence daily watering is necessary. Now, let's look into the results of this experiment. On day 8, you can see clearly that container with split seeds using our sandpaper method shows enormous growth and loads of cilantro, whereas the unsplit seeds show sparse growth. Now on day 15, you can see how dense and beautiful the growth looks using this method. Please give a thumbs up to the video, share it with your friends, and comment below with feedback or queries. Consider subscribing if you are new to the channel. Happy gardening!